From grass and mud to golf shoe scratches, if you're anything like me, you can really beat up your golf cart floor. But WeatherTech's Golf Cart Mat helps you protect your floors from the dash down to the base. Let's take a closer look. Golf Cart Mat is made from the same material as WeatherTech's Floor Liner HP, so it's sturdy, slip resistant, and super durable. It's custom fit to your make and model, so you can trust it'll seamlessly cover the entire front floor of your golf cart. These channels, based on the pattern of our all-weather mats, trap water and messes, guiding them off the mat through these two drainage vents. Here you can see our patented cleat cleaner, which makes scraping grass and mud off your shoes a piece of cake. And since it's one piece, removing it to wash off that muck, then reinstalling it just takes seconds. So whether you're playing 18 or cruising around your resort community, keep your golf cart's original flooring factory fresh with a product that's proudly made in the USA. WeatherTech's Golf Cart Mat.